Let's cook methi papad sabji. These are easy to available ingredients. You will be able to cook in few minutes. You need to chop some onion and definitely some tomato. Now you need to grind garlic with kashmiri red chilli. Add some oil and prepare paste of onion and tomato. Add some kitchen king masala. Once it is cooked, keep aside. Now add some oil and jeera. You need to add the garlic and chili paste now. Once it is cooked, you can add green methi. Adding some crushed chili, green chili, and then coriander powder and turmeric powder, some water, now add salt, now it's time to add some curd, keep adding some water time to time, just in small amount. Now adding few drop of sugar. Now add some lichat papad, roasted one in small pieces. It's time to add onion tomato paste we made. Lastly, add finely chopped coriander. Now delicious methi papad sabji is ready to eat.